how you doing? I'm Marshall, and we're coming in today with a video on how to make a pop noise from your mouth. You know, something I learned when I was young. You take your finger, just stick it in your mouth. And it was something I've come to learn recently. Depends on how far you close your teeth. It's depending on how high pitch you can make it. Like all the way is another halfway is another. So you get different pitches from different spaces between your teeth. So have fun with that, and I'm gonna let y'all go with it. Bye.